What's going on, guys? It's Devin up here with another video. You guys see it. I'm gonna unbox it, talk about it. Let's get into it. Alright guys, I'm back. As you guys can see, it can work with Galaxy products and Apple products. And on the back, you guys can pause it amongst yourselves and read through it, but I'll go through it also briefly. You can put it in your ear, of course. This is the case right here. It has high definition phone calls, quick charging, 6 to 8 hours of battery life, which is pretty cool. And it has a USB type C port, so that's pretty cool. And here's the partners right here, and it has its own, look like it has its own app. So if you guys want to use the app, just like the Bose app was pretty cool to me, so I'm sure it's about the same thing. Let's flip it around. Here's the box. I got the ones in white because the black ones were sold out, and also I think the white ones are cooler anyway. You know, it's the white gold trim. You know, you got the Google Assistant right here. You got the Bluetooth, wireless headphones, of course, and you got the noise cancellation right here. So now, further ado, let's unbox and check it out. Alright, move this plastic. Take this out like this. Alright, that's how you guys see. As soon as you take it out, start pairing, open it up. Wow, look at this. This looks so cool, right? This premium looking quality right here. So I'm gonna take this out and show y'all. Here are the buds. Oh, and they got one more underneath, which I'm pretty sure it's the charger. Oh, snap. Look at all these, man. They not playing. Now this is pretty cool because some people have trouble with most of their earbuds, and so also if you lose one, you have more right here, but I'm sure these come in different sizes, which it looks like. So, you know, if your ear hole is big or small, there you go. All right, and this is your manual. And I'm not gonna go through that. And right here, you guys can see, it's kind of hard, your charge port. All right, cool, let's put this back. All right guys, I'm back. So I like unboxing stuff, especially looking at how beautiful the packaging is when you unwrap it and how nice everything was. I mean, you guys saw when I opened it up how beautiful everything was, nice, tucked and snuffed in, but let's get this pairing started. So as you guys saw in the beginning, when you first opened it up, to start pairing, you gotta open it up, put the headphones in, look for the flash, and I should start pairing. So let's try it out together. All right guys, so I just downloaded the app, and now it's saying select accessories, and we're gonna give it a try. So you open it up, you see it's red, and once you take it out, it should change colors. And there we go, now it's searching. And now it's searching for a device to connect to, and boom, there we go. All right, so we're gonna connect to it, finally put it on, and I'm gonna finally give it a review. All right. You guys know how I do in my videos. I gotta do a sound test for you guys. So I'm gonna take these buds out, put them next to the mic up here, and you are gonna listen to these buds in action yourself. So let me know what y'all think down below about these sounds. I'm gonna go from low, half, and high. So let's get started. Alright, so what do y'all think about that? Comment down below what y'all think about that sound test. So, you know, listen to these, they're great. I like them so far. They're nice and snug. I don't really notice them that they're in my ear. The noise cancellation is amazing. The thing that I don't like about these is that how everything is very sensitive. Right here, if you guys can see right here, this is the only button that pretty much matters, and the only button on them actually. But they're touch sensitive. You touch it if you know you want the noise cancellation, you touch it once. If you don't want the noise cancellation, you turn it off, touch it once again. I'm not trying to sound too disappointed because they're pretty cool. The music is amazing. It plays great music. You guys just want it for the music portion and noise cancellation, not too much. These are great for you. As you see, these are pretty cool looking. They're not bad, you know, it's not too bulky and big compared to the AirPods. They're just about the same size, honestly. I mean, let's just be honest, they're just about the same size. And it's not too bad. So let's do the pocket test. Check them out. You guys already know about the AirPods. You know, it's invisible, can't really see it. Next, let's do the Sonys. Put these bad boys in your pocket. I mean, let's be honest, it's not really that bad. You can't really notice it. You see a little something there. All right, what's going on, guys? So I re-uploaded this video. Two guys in the comments was letting me know about the cool features in this stuff that I forgot to mention, and you know, they was right. They was really cool about it. I appreciate them. Yeah, I had to go back and do my research a little better. Here we go. So like I said, you had the noise cancellation, which was pretty awesome. 24-hour battery life with the noise cancellation on. It says between 16 and 24, so that's pretty good too. All day battery life, way better than the AirPods. Also, there's a cool feature about the Sony where when you put your earbuds in, if you look or talk to someone, it actually cancels the noise and actually lets you hear, called the quick attention function. And that's pretty cool. So if you're out at the park or you're listening to some stuff, or you're talking to a friend and they talk to you, you can just stop for a minute, touch it, or you can just stop for a minute, look their way, and quiet whatever sound you're listening to and grab their attention and let you listen while you're listening to your earbuds. So that is a cool feature. And also, I actually found out what those holes are. Also in the Sony, where these holes are right here, yeah, you can actually put in head jacks in there just in case if you want to, you know, go for a classic style, or if you want the wireless. So those are some cool features about it, and I appreciate those two guys for letting me know. I'm putting this back up, of course, as you're seeing it right now, and thank you, I appreciate y'all. So let me know what y'all think about those cool features. Are you guys gonna get it? Let me know. Comment, like, subscribe. I appreciate everyone commenting, you know, I have no problem, you know, if you guys want to let me know some stuff or reassure me or give you some tips, advice, whatever, or want me to review some more stuff, you know, hey man, let me know. I got some more videos coming for you guys, you know. Hey, comment, you know, positive comments, criticism, I'm open, you know, I listen to everybody, you know, it's cool. So let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. You guys getting these Sony headphones? So let me know. I'm out.